Welcome to this stunning North Carolina estate, a rare opportunity for those seeking space, privacy, and endless possibilities. Situated in Rockingham, this expansive property features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a generous living space, offering the perfect canvas for your dream home. Entertainment. Imagine the gatherings, the sunsets, and the memories you could create in this one-of-a-kind estate. Inside, the home presents abundant potential for renovation. With the right vision, this property can be transformed into a move-in ready masterpiece. High ceilings, spacious rooms, and versatile layouts allow for modern updates while preserving the charm and character of this estate. Every corner offers an opportunity to personalize and craft a living space tailored to your lifestyle. Located in the heart of Rockingham, you'll enjoy the serenity of a private setting while remaining conveniently close to schools, shopping, and local amenities. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, an investor, or a family searching for space and privacy, this North Carolina estate is a rare find. Don't miss your chance to own a property that combines potential, luxury, and outdoor living. Schedule a private tour today and see how this North Carolina home can be the perfect canvas for your dream lifestyle.